It's not good. You don't like it? I'm sorry, Paris.
It's not good.
Okay, no good guys. Do you want to bring it back for a refund?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Friday Eve. Yes, Friday Eve, guys. Na-miss ko yung word na Friday Eve, guys. Yan yung ginagamit namin sa opisina. When we were still working sa office, yan yung ginagamit namin na term, Friday Eve, para sa Thursday. So, it's currently 3 o'clock ng hapon, guys, at lunch break ni ate nyo. Si Daddy Mike pala kanina, maaga siyang nag-lunch break kasi hindi masyadong busy yung kanyang work. Kaya, lunch break ko ngayon at napag-isipan ko na pumunta ng shops. So, diba na-mention ko na before na meron kaming shopping center na malapit dito sa bahay. It's only 7 minutes drive from here. Sobrang pinakamalaking shopping center dito sa guys, dito sa Melbourne. Meron kasi akong gustong bilhin and naisip ko na since weekdays ngayon, tapos hindi siya after hours, hindi siya masyadong busy sa shops. So, first time kong pupunta doon after a few months, kasi nga dahil sa lockdown. So, I'm very excited to go there. First time kong makapag-shopping na mag-isa kasi ang ating baby girl ay nasa childcare today. Pakita ko lang sa inyo quickly yung ating outfit for today, guys. At ito yung gusto kong bilhin din. So, this is my top. And then, itong biker shorts. So, ito yung gusto kong bilhin, guys. This one pala, binili ko siya from AliExpress. Pero hindi maganda yung quality niya. Ayan. So, gusto kong bumili ng something na nicer yung quality. Ito lang isa pala yung meron ako, guys, na bike shorts. Ayan. And then, just flats. And then, ganyan lang tayo pumunta doon, guys. Anyways, I have to go now kasi alam niyo naman, timed ang ating lunch break. So, the time starts now. Labas na ako, guys. Sobrang ganda ng araw today. Very warm, pero wala pala si Mr. Sun. Super warm lang niya. Check natin ang mailbox. Alam niyo, miss na miss ko na si Paris, guys. I can't wait na mag 5 o'clock na para pick upin na natin siya sa childcare. So guys, it's now 10 past 5. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina kasi I was rushing. Akala ko hindi masyadong busy yung shops, guys. No, akala ko lang pala yun. Maling akala. sobrang busy, and also the road is starting to, you know, be busy now, guys. Kasi alam nyo na, nakakalabas na yung mga tao dito sa amin. Kaya yun. Anyways, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo quickly ang aking napamili sa Charleston Shopping Center before natin pick upin ang ating baby girl, guys. Dalawa lang naman yung binili ko, guys, kasi yung rason talaga na pumunta ako doon kasi gusto kong bumili ng biker shorts. And then, before ako pumunta doon, I made sure na nag-research ako kung saan ako pwedeng pumunta, kung sino yung nagbebenta ng ganun, para diretso-diretso yung lakad ba. So, nakita nyo sa video kanina, pumunta ako ng Sports Girl kasi sa website nila sinasabi na nagbebenta sila ng ganito. Pero, nung pumasok ako doon, guys, sobrang dami nilang cute na mga damit. Pero, hindi talaga ako pumunta doon para doon sa mga dresses or anything. Pumunta ako for this bike short. So, the next one na pinuntahan ko, so tatlong shops yung pinuntahan ko. The second one was yung iBody. Is that cotton on, Daddy? Body? Body. Cotton on. Ayan, so nakita nyo to before, guys. So, ito yung biker shorts. Tinry ko to siya. Nakita nyo rin before. Cotton on body. The high waist bike short. Size small. Ayan. And this one I got for $24.99.
Dollars?
Dollars.
Dollars?
Yeah. And then, pumunta ako ng Zara, guys, kasi gustong-gusto ko talagang mag-shop sa Zara. But I didn't have... Shut up, Daddy. And si Daddy, guys, tinatawaran niya ako kasi nag-worry siya, hindi niya kasi alam na sa Charleston ako pumunta, guys, because he was on the phone nung umalis ako. Anyways, pumunta ako ng Zara kasi gusto ko talagang bumili ng mga Zara ng mga damit, ng mga basics. But wala akong oras. Pumunta ako doon, sobrang daming magaganda. Pero ito lang yung nakita ko, guys, na nagustuhan ko. Iba kasi ako mag-shopping, guys, kasi kailangan kong whole day talaga. Daddy, eh? I need a whole day when I go shopping. Yeah. So, this is the top that I bought. So, meron akong ganito, guys, na pinakita ko sa haul the other day. But I got that in the color ecru. So, parang beige white, off-white na kulay. But this one is light pink color. It's very, very nice. Again, this is so me. Ayan. And then, you know what, guys? So, tingnan nyo, nakalagay dito is $15.95. Pero, nung parang chinek ni ate sa, ano na ba, counter, it was $19.95. So, it's $4 more. Hindi na lang ako nag-checka, guys. Uy, binayaran ko na lang. That's fine. And that's it, guys. Yun lang talaga yung binili ko doon. Yeah, I really hope na, you know, may time ako na pumunta doon. And it was very strange nung papasok ako kasi nanibago ako kasi pumasok ako na ako lang mag-isa. Diba, nasanay ako na Daddy Mike or si Paris kasama kong mag-shopping and first time kong nakapag-shopping ng mag-isa. So, medyo nabaguhan ako, guys. Hinahanap ko yung prom, hinahanap ko si Paris. And then, itong bag na to, reusable bag. This is, nung binili ko yung ito siya. So, wala siyang sisidlan. So, bumili ako nito. And I think this was for $5, guys. Sobrang cute naman. Ayan. Isisend ko to sa mama ko. Mahilig yung mama ko sa mga ganito. Anyways, alam nyo, guys, habang ginagawa ko to, nanonood ako kay Rhaze. Ayan. Nag-ano din siya, anong tawag dito? Nag-unboxing din siya ng kanyang order from Zara. Ayan. Nilagay ko lang sa mute ang kanyang, music. Ayan. Natapos na yung Zara niya. Iba na yata yan. Oh. Diba? Bikini man. Panotice naman po dyan, te. What's that? Skincare fridge. Oh, interesting.
Yeah, because you're supposed to put your cosmetics in the fridge.
Yeah.
My mom's been doing that for years.
Well done, Daddy. Anyways, let's make a move. We're out na naman, mga peeps. Pipick upin namin ang ating baby girl. Hi, Daddy. How are you doing today?
Very well.
Very well, thanks. Did you get your parcel book?
What parcel?
Oh, no, you're not getting anything. Natawa ako, guys, kasi Daddy Mike bought something sa sale kahapon. Was that yesterday, Daddy? Oh, the other day. And then, nakatanggap siya ng message na the delivery is on its way now. So, naghintay siya today, guys. Akala niya na it will be delivered today. Ano pa, nasa China pa pala yung kanyang in-order. Sobrang natawa ako, guys. Kasi, yung sinasabi, pag sinasabi kasi na on its way, ibig sabihin parang na-ship na. Akala niya kasi na i-deliver na sa kanya today. Daddy, can you say, maling akala.
Maling akala.
Let's go. Where's your water bottle?
Parcel, you get another kid now.
Oh, the bag.
What's up? Yung dun sa harapan.
Oh, okay. Maybe. Come on, my love.
Come on, baby girl.
Well done. Well done, big girl. Have a look at our baby girl, guys. Oh, sobrang laki na ba? Sweating. We have to go that way, Nak. We have to get your bag, Baba.
We're going shopping.
Come sit down.
We're going shopping first.
Come on, let's go shop.
And bring your apples.
Yeah.
Bring your apples.
Bring your apples because you're a good girl.
Did you say thank you?
Tignan niya siya sa kanyang outfit, guys.
Mama.
This is strawberry. Paris, there's a strawberry. Sign her up, Daddy.
Parcel, you get another kid.
Yes.
Huh?
Big girl.
Wow.
So cool. Big? How many fish?
What's his name is?
What's her name?
This is his name. That's you.
Is that your bag? Is that your bag?
You.
Mama, get your bag. Paris' bag is here. Who's that, Nak? Nak, who's that? Who's that, Paris? Is that Tiffany?
No.
Who's that then? Kiss si Mama, be. Kiss. I love you.
Are you?
I love you, Paris. Was that your sand in the sandpit?
No.
Oh, no, sand.
You don't want the apple?
I don't want the butter.
Oh, yes you do, honey. You have to drink it, Baba. Now, what are you doing?
I'm good.
Hala, bulingot kay ka na.
I'm just playing my daddy.
Wait, don't climb to Daddy. Ay, kay mag-walk na na. Hala.
Daddy's going to the shops.
Come on, do you wanna come? Pick her up, Daddy, please.
You go to the shops?
Honey, Ana. Si Olivia today, Nak?
No.
Was she there?
No.
Did she come to school today? Wala.
No.
No? Oh, okay. Hala, Nak, 6 o'clock na, Nak. Bless, Mami, Nak. Hala, bless na, Mami, Baba. Kasi 6 o'clock. Good girl. Ay, good girl mo na, Baba. Ay, ikaw, Nak, be, I'm Filipino.
Filipino.
I'm Filipino.
Filipino.
Kusiun, be. Ay na. Opo. Ikaw, Nak, be. Opo. Opo, Mami.
Oh, mommy.
You say it, Nak. Like, opo, Mami.
Papa, mommy.
Say, pupu, Mami. Ikaw nagpupo. Opo, Mami.
I want the apple to one down in the shop.
Hala, guys, si Daddy Mike pala, guys. Pumasok sa shops. Ayan, oh. Andito kami
Unsa?
IGA. Ayan. Kasi ayun na namin ilabas tong batang ito. Daddy, welcome back. Anak me. Where's the bread? Where's the bread? Give it to Mommy.
Mommy.
Yes, anak.
Bubblegum.
Bubblegum. You get a phone.
Iki sticky,
Jump off.
bubble gum.
Jump up.
Whee!
Come on, Humpty.
Let's go in now because it's getting cold. It's gonna
Come here.
rain.
She's trying to come.
Dumpty sat on the wall.
Baby girl, huh?
Big girl. Big girl. Mas malaki siyang tingnan dahil sa suot niya.
After sleeping.
No.
No, ants na.
We're not.
Oh, there's one ant there.
I want you to acknowledge every grocery.
Hi guys! It's now 7 o'clock ng gabi. Is it 7 o'clock already or?
6:40.
6:48. Kakawi lang namin from the shops. Si Daddy lang pala yung pumasok ng shops, guys. And, Daddy, they can see you dancing.
So,
Ipapakita namin sa inyo quickly yung mga napamili ni Daddy Mike sa shops. What did you get, Daddy?
you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Just bring the plastic here, baby. Then you put
Yeah.
you put, oh wait, come on. So, this is the first bag. Puno ng meat. This one is lamb kofta. Ayan. Put it away, Daddy. This one is pork spare ribs. Ooh, 50% off, guys. Sa IGA kami pumunta kasi meron na sila mga sale na ganito. Toscan burgers. And we have porterhouse steak. And then, merong, dalawang dosinang binili ni Daddy Mike na eggs, guys. Ayan. That's what it looks like. O, diba? It looks like egg. Kasi egg naman talaga. Ayan. And then the second bag that we have in here.
Hold on.
Meron tayong guys, apple juice. And then, para sa fridge ko sila, guys. Some yoga. Ayan, kasi ito yung gustong-gusto ni Paris na yogurt, guys, yung honey. Ayan. Yes, my love. Ayan, marami sila. And then, loose leaf flavored black tea from T2. Tomato sauce. Ayan. And then, the same bag, meron tayong chicken real stock. Ayan. And then, the same na, guys, yung mga, ayan, mga, ang tawag dito? Yogurt.
You like your other apple tart?
Alright, guys, so the third plastic bag. Medyo naparami yung bili ni Daddy Mike, guys. Ayan. Meron tayong corn. We have spinach. Ayan. We have some, what's nectarine, Daddy?
Apricots.
Oh, apricots. Ayan. We have some, tingnan nyo, guys, pinya. $1 lang. Ayan. And some apples. Ayan yung pangatlo. And then, pang-apat na plastic bag is ito. We've got some sakata crackers. Meron pang ibang crackers. Meron pang crackers. We've got bread. Ayan. Bread. And then, we have some hummus. Mga dips. Gravy. Macaroni, cheese. Flavor. Some gravy again. And, the pasta and sauce. That's it. And then, ano na lang, guys? Dalawang bag na lang. And then, this one, okay. Exotic potatoes with sea salt. Bongga.
Healthy chips.
We've got cheesecake.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Healthy chocolate. Organic chocolate.
Organic chocolate, sabi ni Daddy Mike. For me, chocolate is chocolate. This one is Alter Ecor.
Organic.
Mint organic chocolate. Ayan. And then, meron tayong cheese. And some more yogurts, guys. And then the last bag, more meat dito. It's chicken jumbo burger, chicken burrito, mild Mexican, Primus tricky bacon, chicken kebab, chicken honey, and then we've got salmon fillet. However you want to say it, guys. Filet, it is the same thing. We've got some chicken with drumettes, herb, garlic, and chili. Okay, Daddy. Well done, Daddy. And then the last one is this beef schnitzel fine crumb. Ayan. There you go. That's about it, guys. Kami yung family ni Daddy Mike sa shop. How much did you pay for everything, Daddy?
249.
$249. So what is that in Filipino peso? 250. I'd say 33 times 33 plus 30.
249.
250. Hang on, hindi na ako. Basta mga around 8,000, guys. 8,000 pesos, Daddy. Yeah?
Yes.
Well done, Daddy. Ang ating baby girl pala, guys, ay nasa lunchroom. Nanonood ng kanyang, ang tawag dito, nursery rhymes. Ngayon na magluluto na tayo ng dinner. And yeah, we'll speak to you again soon. Brush your teeth. Uy! Show Tita and Tito your toothpaste. Your Peppa Pig toothpaste. Yay! Did Mama buy you? What?
It's in the shops.
Yeah, in the shops. In the shops. Guys, malapit na palang mag 10 o'clock, guys. Ang ating baby girl, gising na gising pa, oh. Pero wala mang childcare bukas, so it's okay. No? Good girl. Paris is brushing her teeth because Santa Claus is watching. And because she's been a good girl brushing her teeth, she's going to get... Huh? Toys! Yeah! Rinse.
This is not good.
Huh? Oh, may buhok na.
It's not good, Mommy.
It's not good? You don't like it? I'm sorry, Paris.
Okay, it's not good.
Okay, no good guys. Do you want to bring it back for a refund? Oh, yes. We'll tell the tita at the shop. This is not good. We want a refund. Okay? We'll bring it back, okay? Okay, and I'll get you to choose a new one. Tamili man niya itong one, guys. What you don't like about it, Nak? Nak, what don't you like about it? Good girl. Wash the face. Wash the face.
Green.
Like chocolate.
I like chocolate too.
They do like chocolate too, Mommy. Paris? The end.